Good morning, friends. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on algae. Now we are going to see general characteristics of algae. Algae cells are prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotic, they have a primitive nucleus. Eukaryotic, they have a true nucleus. Prokaryotic example, blue-green algae. For example, cyanobacteria or acylitoria, like kinds of organism. Prokaryotic is present. Eukaryotic, they have a true nucleus which is present in algae. For example, chlorophyll member, phaeophyll member. Algae, photosynthetic. They themselves prefer food. Study of algae also called phycology or algology. So who is the father of algology? F.E. Fridge. And who is the Indian father of algology or phycology? O.P. Iyengar. So once again I'm repeating, study of algae are also called phycology or algology. Indian father of algae, O.P. Iyengar. Father of algology, F.E. Fridge. Algae present in fresh water, marine water, and stagnant water, and also live in moist soil habits. Algae are unicellular or sometimes multicellular organisms. If it is unicellular, they have two kinds of mode. One is motile and non-motile. So motile, they have a flagella which is present for movement, especially which is present in Chlamydomonas. Non-motile, which is they don't have a flagella, which is present in diatom. They have a multicellular organism. Multicellular, they are different type of structures, either in the colonial form, for example, volvox. They are fixed in one place, hydrodictyon. They are in filamentous in-like structure, especially present in Spirochaeta. They are in dendroid form, ecopilositus. So next we move on to this algae. Some of the algae we are going to show you. These are the algae, some brown algae, red algae, and green algae, and other algae which is present over here. So now we move to this general characters of algae. So I already said it, study of algae, it is also phycology, photosynthetics. They are freshwater and marine water organism, unicellular and multicellular. So now we are going to see again the algae are autotrophic. Now autotrophic means what they are going to store reserve as a food material. They reserve food material is starch, not only starch. They are going to store laminarian starch, mannitol, and other things they can able to store as a reserve food material. Algae in size from microscopic to hundred of feet in length. They're in not only microscopic example Chlamydomonas, volvox, chlorella, like organisms. Some macroorganism also present. Sargassums, gracilaria, like kinds of organism are macroscopic. Okay, algae don't have a roots and stem and leaves. Do not differentiate it into roots and stems and leaves. They are in thalloid in nature. So they don't have a specific root and stem and leaves. They do not differentiate into leaf and stem and leaves. So this is the reason that is come under thallophytic category. Algae cell are thin and rigid in nature. The cell wall it's mostly surrounded by flexible gelatinous matrix. That's the reason they are able to withstand in water and condition. It is viscous in nature. And inside the cell wall, they have a discrete nucleus is present. But when you come to cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, they don't have a discrete nucleus. The nucleus absent over there. So not only they have a cell wall, they have a nucleus. Along with it, in that inside this cell wall, they have a starch granules, oil droplets, vacuoles are present. Algae have a special pigments like chlorophyll, xanthophyll, and carotenoid, which is present. Based on the color, the algae also differentiated into several categories: green algae, brown algae, red algae, yellow algae. Like it's they have a several kinds of color pigments which is present over in algae. So algae they have a chloroplast which is inside the chlorophyll. They inside this organism they have a chloroplast. Chloroplast may be ribbon-like structure, bar-like structure, cup-like structure, net-like structure, discrete-like structure. For example, cup-like structure which is present in chlorella and chlamydomonas. Algae they have a flagella to move one place to another place. So this is the reasons which is present in chlamydomonas. Algae already said it, they are thalloid, no tissue differentiation, and also They don't have a vascular system like xylem and phloem. Algae, it is they have a three kinds of reproduction is occur. One is vegetative reproduction, another one is asexual reproduction, and the next one is sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction, it is occur in the form of fragmentation, fission, budding, tuber, advantageous branches. And sexual reproduction, they can produce through spores like zoospore, aplantospore, hypnospore, formula stage, endospore, and aconitis. This kinds of spore formation which is occur in asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction may be three types. What do you mean sexual reproduction? It is fusion of gametes. The gametes either in the form of isogamous or it is anisogamous or oogamous. What do you mean isogamous? Isogamy means similar type of gametes morphologically and genetically, which is present in Spirochaeta. When you come to this anisogamous types, it is this type of gamete, it is called also called as gametes are similar in morphological and dissimilar in anatomical in nature. This kind of anisogamous type which is present in Chlamydomonas. Oogamous type, it is very common in all the members except Synophysi. Synophysi, it is sexual reproduction is absent. Synophysi member, they don't have a sexual reproduction. Totally sexual reproduction absent in Synophysi. Oogamous types, it is the gametes both morphologically and anatomically they are different, which is present in, for example, Eudogonia, Fucus, and Chlamydomonas. Algae are from gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Male gametes produce sperms and female gametes produce eggs. They don't have an embryo system. Algae, they have three kinds of life cycle, either haplontic or diplontic or haplodiplontic. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.